Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, today we're going to draw a simple and charming Christmas tree. This tutorial is perfect for spreading some festive cheer through your artwork. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your doodle art, focus, study of graphics. For today's artistry trivia, which famous artist created an iconic painting depicting a Christmas scene that includes a brightly glowing fireplace? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's begin by sketching the outline of our Christmas tree. Start with a triangle shape. Make sure the bottom of the triangle is wider than the top to create that classic tree shape. The goal here is to create a basic framework for our tree. After adding the tree pot, we will decorate our Christmas tree. Draw small circles or ovals scattered across the branches to represent ornaments. Don't miss out on adding the stars. Now, let's add some final details to make our tree more realistic. Draw small curved lines along the branches to represent the texture of pine needles. While drawing the leaves, be completely focused and try to draw each leaf the same size. This will add depth and dimension to your tree. Don't forget to add a shining star or a beautiful tree topper at the very top of your tree. Let's bring our Christmas tree to life with colors. Start by lightly coloring the tree body with green. Use darker shades to add depth and texture to the branches. The background is simple but adds a pop of color to our drawing. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is the renowned artist Norman Rockwell created the beloved painting titled Stockbridge Main Street at Christmas. This heartwarming artwork captures the festive spirit with its depiction of a snow-covered street, cheerful townspeople, and a beautifully illuminated fireplace in the foreground, showcasing Rockwell's exceptional talent for portraying warmth and holiday joy in his art. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss